Shandong Hongda Heavy Industry Mechanical Manufacture Company Limited is located in Liang, China, which is very near to Qingdao International Airport and Seaport. It's specialized in making tower cranes, construction elevators, and mixing plants. It is one of the leading factories of our group enterprise, Shandong Hongda Construction Machine Company Limited. The group company mainly manufactures truck-mounted concrete pumps, concrete mixer trucks, and trailer pumps. Our truck-mounted concrete pumps are from 24 meters to 52 meters, and concrete mixer trucks are from 8 cubic meters to 16 cubic meters. We offer different types of tower cranes, such as fixed, mobile, flat top, and luffing. For construction elevators, we have both double cages and single cages for your option. Full models of concrete mixing plants and asphalt mixing plants are available here. Insisting quality first and technology innovation, we create new models and get different kinds of rewards and patents from government every year in the past years. All the product lines are keeping improving to be more professional, efficient, and convenient for customer use. After decades of efforts, we have won a wide trust and enjoyed a high reputation both in domestic markets and overseas markets. Our success is inseparable from the support and trust of our customers all around the world. With thanks and rewards, we will do our utmost to make more benefits for our partners. Choose Hongda is to choose high quality. Please give us an opportunity to benefit you.